Is there another scam wick in Bitcoin and Ethereum's future today? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is DaVinci Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5, staying alive here in Dubai. Hope you're doing well wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. I'm gonna be talking about the news, right, and then doing some TA on a possible scam wick that might happen with Bitcoin and Ethereum either today or tomorrow. We're going to take a look at that possibility and whether or not, hey, you know what, if we're going to blow higher to 75K for Bitcoin or 4,500 for Ethereum, or 4,200 actually for Ethereum, or we're just going to drop down. But if there's a scam wick, don't worry, it will recover. Okay, with that said, if you're interested on trading any of this, right, make sure you do so on bybit.davincij15.com. Let me just bring up my screen right here. Or 2bit.davincij15.com. Or even coinw.davincij15.com. Links are in the description below. All right, let's get on with the news for today. And it doesn't matter about scam wicks with Michael Saylor. MicroStrategy seeks 500 million more to snatch up even more Bitcoin. You know, this guy already, borrowed $1 billion to buy Bitcoin. $1 billion. Now he wants to borrow another $500 million to buy more Bitcoin. Damn. Aren't you going to leave any for the poor people, guy? Oh my God. I don't know how, how is he doing this? Like, how much more money can he borrow, and print before it's like, okay, enough, dog? Like, and this is not like recourse loans that he's getting, right? Recourse loans are basically where they would take his assets from him. No, they're non-recourse loans. Absolutely insane. Absolutely. This is our financial system. Just insane. Oh boy. Ethereum dips after Dencun. Is this norm after an ETH upgrade? Well, you know what? The dip was very small. They came back and stuff like that. But it is normal to see crypto actually dump on a particular event. And, because, the upgrades are pretty much non-event. But I think there's more to this. We're going to take a look at that in the TA today. Financial markets tense as inflation rise suggests U.S. central bank may keep rates steady. Ooh, man, the Fed is in between a rock and a hard place, right? Because as the consumer price index, or the CPI, experienced a 3.2% increase over the 12 months ending in February, marginally higher by 0.1 compared to January CPI. Now, I've talked about this a lot. The CPI is from the BS, or the BS, actually should be, not BLS, right? Because they're feeding you BS here with these inflation numbers. It's a lot higher than what they tell you, of course, right? Because it excludes food and energy. But that's the number that they're looking at. And man, for it to go up means things are way worse. And that means the Fed can't lower rates into the recession that's already here pretty much. And also for the election. Oof. Well, the election's pretty much lost anyways, but whatever. Okay, going on. Autopsy report of Bitcoin's critic Jim Cramer ETF unleashed. Okay, so there apparently was an inverse Cramer ETF planned. Oh my gosh. Man, that's too bad. That would have made some serious money. Anyways, but it didn't work out. And if you want to read more about it, links are in the description below. Okay, let's move on to the TA for today. Right, make sure that you sign up for your account at coinw.davincij15.com, where you can get some rewards for depositing and trading on the exchange. I woke up this morning and I was looking at the charts, as I normally do. And here's the thing. Here's what I saw. We had to reverse. I'm going to start with Ethereum, because the reason why is because it was more clear on Ethereum than it was on any other asset. And you can see that there's a downward trend on the RSI, even though price was going higher. So, and then you can see that even on the 4 hour, you can see it even more clearly that as price was rising, right, rapidly, right, you can see the indicators is going down. Same here at the MACD. So things are not as rosy as we once thought. So I've reversed the trade. Now, I've told you guys that yesterday that there's a possible long trade here, right? If we do a nice W and we takes us to all the way to 4,200, but I'm reversing on that because there's a possible, scam wick happening right here, which will take us to a recovery, of course. But yeah, I believe the scam wick is happening as we speak right now on both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, I did try to enter a trade here at the top of the range here, and it just got suckered out. I mean, I didn't think it would go and create a new high, and yeah, it just went and pushed out my stop loss and then reversed. Boom. Oh well, stuff happens. And yeah, we have reversed heavily on Bitcoin. Now, how confident am I on this particular scam wick? It was looking really good right now, but I think we have to wait and see, because I think it's going to go a little bit sideways until like a lunchtime around 12 o'clock local time. That's when we'll see the breakdown, if there is one at all. No guarantees from the management, just, the market is looking like that. We're going to break down. So this could be a little bit more choppy right now, but I don't think we're going to go as high as what we did here up here. Probably going to come back up and draw out another pattern here and then fail in the next few hours. So be prepared for that. I might look for a trade here later on in the days. I should have re-jumped into my trade, but you know what? I was like, I just don't chase, man. I had a nice trade. It didn't work out. So I need to move on and find the next trade. Okay. For Ethereum, yes, I've reversed my bullishness to bearishness. It's just the way it is because of the indications that this thing could break down. And yeah, you can see that Ethereum is most likely giving us a clearer signal than Bitcoin, because of Bitcoin is managed by the elites. And we can see that, yeah, we are, creating sort of an M pattern that we can't seem to break out of on Ethereum. So I am reversing my trade here on Ethereum, and I have a short trade on Ethereum, and let's see how well that works out. And they come at least for today. Okay, well, that's it for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's take a quick look at SHIB. As you can see, there was a nice call here. If you wanted to take a long, so far so good. SHIB, it wants to rise, but here, this is no guarantee. The real breakout is above the 35.26 area. If we break out above that and close above that on the hourly, then we can see another 20% move on SHIB, but that remains to be seen. So far looking good, but not perfect. All right, well, that's it for today. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.